Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that shaped the course of Japan's history, the Revolution of Japan. From feudalism to modernization, this pivotal period marked Japan's journey towards becoming a major global power. So, let's explore this fascinating revolution together. The Revolution of Japan refers to a series of significant political, social, and economic transformations that occurred in Japan during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. This period marked the end of Japan's feudal system and its transition into a modern industrialized nation. There are two main revolutions that are often discussed in the context of Japan's history. 1. Meiji Restoration, 1868. The Meiji Restoration was a pivotal event in Japanese history, marking the end of the Tokugawa Shogunate, which had ruled Japan in a feudal system for over 2.5 centuries. 1. It was a bloodless coup carried out by a coalition of samurai, nobles, and regional leaders who aimed to restore the emperor's power and modernize the country. 1. Emperor Meiji, who was only 15 years old at the time, was placed at the center of authority, and the samurai class was abolished. The Meiji Restoration brought about significant changes, including the abolition of the feudal class system, land redistribution, the establishment of a centralized government, and the adoption of Western technologies and institutions. Japan embraced rapid industrialization and modernization, adopting Western-style education, legal systems, and military reforms. This transformation laid the foundation for Japan's emergence as a major global power in the following decades. 1. Showa Restoration, 1926. The Showa Restoration refers to the reign of Emperor Hirohito, also known as Emperor Showa, who ruled Japan from 1926 to 1989. 1. While not a formal revolution like the Meiji Restoration, the Showa era witnessed significant changes and challenges for Japan. 1. During this period, Japan experienced rapid industrialization, economic growth, and expansionism, leading up to its involvement in World War II. Japan's militaristic and imperialistic ambitions during the Showa era culminated in its participation in World War II, which ended with the dropping of atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. The defeat in the war led to the subsequent occupation of Japan by the Allied powers and a subsequent period of reconstruction and democratization. Both the Meiji Restoration and the Showa era played crucial roles in shaping modern Japan. The Meiji Restoration laid the groundwork for Japan's rapid modernization and emergence as an industrialized nation, while the Showa era brought challenges and consequences that eventually led to Japan's post-war transformation into a democratic and pacifist state. These historical revolutions are key milestones that have defined Japan's trajectory into the modern world. Thank you for joining us on this historical adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments which historical topics you'd like us to explore next. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.